Welcome back to the Traveling Cloud. In today's video, we'll explain to you all you need to know about barndominium homes, beginning to end. Let's begin. What is a barndominium? A barndominium is a type of home that is built using metal frames or poles, typically associated with barns or agricultural buildings. These homes feature a mix of traditional and modern design elements, often incorporating rustic features such as wood siding or stone accents. They are typically large, open-concept spaces that are well-suited for families or for entertaining guests. Why are barndominiums popular? Barndominiums have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their unique design, affordability, and versatility. They are often more affordable than traditional homes and can be built quickly. They also provide a lot of open space and can be customized to fit the specific needs and preferences of the homeowner. Additionally, they are durable and low maintenance, making them a popular choice for those who want a home that will stand the test of time. What do you need to build a barndominium? To build a barndominium, you will typically need to have a plot of land, a building plan, and a contractor who specializes in building these types of homes. You will also need to secure any necessary permits and approvals from your local government or building authority. Additionally, you will need to decide on the materials and finishes that you want to use in your home, including the siding, roofing, windows, and doors. How much does it cost to build a barndominium? The cost of building a barndominium can vary widely depending on a number of factors, including the location, size, materials, and design. On average, the cost of building a barndominium ranges from $80 to $150 per square foot. This includes the cost of materials, labor, and any necessary permits or fees. However, the cost can be lower or higher depending on the specific project. Where can you build barndominium homes? Barndominiums have become a popular trend in recent years, especially in rural areas where people want a mix of traditional and modern architecture. Here are 10 places in the USA where you can build barndominium homes. 1. Texas. Texas is considered the birthplace of the barndominium, and it remains one of the most popular states for building them. Texas has a large rural population, and barndominiums offer an affordable and versatile option for those looking to build a home in the countryside. Additionally, Texas has a wide range of climates, from the hot and humid Gulf Coast to the dry and arid West, making it possible to build a barndominium in almost any part of the state. 2. Oklahoma. Oklahoma is another state where barndominiums have become increasingly popular in recent years. The state has a similar climate to Texas, with hot summers and mild winters, and a rural landscape that makes it well-suited for building barndominiums. Additionally, Oklahoma has a low cost of living, which makes it an attractive option for those looking for an affordable place to live. 3. Tennessee. Tennessee is a great place to build a barndominium if you are looking for a rustic, country feel. The state has a mix of urban and rural areas, with a range of landscapes that include mountains, forests, and lakes. Barndominiums are well suited for this type of environment, as they can blend in with the surrounding natural beauty while still offering modern amenities and comforts. 4. Florida. Florida is known for its warm climate and coastal lifestyle, and barndominiums can be a great way to take advantage of these features. Barndominiums in Florida often feature large, open spaces and lots of windows to let in natural light and take advantage of the ocean views. Additionally, Florida has a diverse population and a variety of cultural attractions, making it an appealing place to live for many different types of people. 5. Georgia. Georgia is a state that offers a mix of rural and urban living, with a range of landscapes that include mountains, forests, and beaches. Barndominiums in Georgia can be built to blend in with the surrounding environment, and they offer a unique and affordable housing option for those who want to live in the countryside. Additionally, Georgia has a low cost of living and a growing economy, making it an attractive option for those looking for a new place to call home. 6. Arizona. Arizona has a desert climate and a landscape that is known for its striking natural beauty. Barndominiums in Arizona often feature modern and minimalist design elements that can complement the surrounding environment. Additionally, Arizona is home to a growing tech industry and a vibrant cultural scene, making it an appealing place to live for many different types of people. 7. North Carolina. North Carolina is a state that offers a range of landscapes, from the mountains in the west to the beaches on the east coast. Barndominiums in North Carolina can be built to blend in with the surrounding environment, and they offer an affordable and unique housing option for those who want to live in a natural and scenic setting. 8. Colorado. Colorado is known for its mountainous landscape and its wide range of outdoor recreational activities. Barndominiums in Colorado can be built to take advantage of the natural beauty of the state, with large windows and outdoor living spaces that offer stunning views of the mountains. Additionally, Colorado has a growing tech industry and a high quality of life, making it an attractive place to live for many different types of people. 9. Oregon. Oregon is a state that offers a mix of urban and rural living, with a range of landscapes that include mountains, forests, and beaches. Barndominiums in Oregon can be built to blend in with the surrounding environment, and they offer an affordable and unique housing option for those who want to live in a natural and scenic setting. Additionally, Oregon is known for its progressive culture and commitment to sustainability, making it an attractive place to live for those who value environmental responsibility. 10. Montana. Montana is a state that is known for its wide open spaces and rugged, natural beauty. Barndominiums in Montana can be built to take advantage of this environment, with large windows and outdoor living spaces that offer stunning views of the mountains and prairies. Additionally, Montana has a low cost of living and a strong sense of community, making it an appealing option for those who want to live in a close-knit and supportive environment. Building a barndominium can be a great way to create a unique, affordable, and versatile home that meets your specific needs and preferences. With a little research and planning, you can find the right location, design, and contractor to build the perfect barndominium for you and your family. Will you dare to take a chance? Let us know in the comments. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.